It's the fastest roller coaster in this park.
It's the fastest roller coaster in most parks.
One roller coaster in the world.
What?
Yeah, and that's really what makes us really special, and you can't duplicate it.
And this ride is, I mean, it keeps up with most Woodies to this
ever
day.
since it opened, this has never left the top 10.
Really?
Of wooden
I
coasters.
love this coaster.
You know, for voters anyway, they love it. So it crosses over and under itself like 32 times, and it runs through the ride station, which a lot of people love.
You ready?
Legit scary.
It's amazing.
Oh my gosh. This guy,
Please.
he's clearly having fun.
Crazy things. His eyes closed? Partly. Not the whole time. You good? You bruised up? Yeah, that's probably why my back's all bruised. Like I got beaten.
Bakeries.
You must stop in the bakery when you come to Dollywood. Oh, okay. 2 minutes. Okay, it's coming out of the oven. She said 2 minutes.
The 25 pineapple pie takes approximately 3 hours to bake. Probably about 4 hours of prep time, bake time, everything.
Or do you chop that up and feed it to everybody?
Nope, you can order the whole pie with the cast iron skillet for $189.95, or we do sell it by the slice. We cut it into 8 slices. We should try that. We should look that up to see what the biggest pie in the Guinness Book is.
So it's $18.99 for a slice.
Now, one slice feeds a whole lot of people. So it's actually, if you have adults, 4 to 6. So certainly if you have a family with some kids, you can take one slice and it'll feed everyone. It'll, you won't be hungry.
No, and then it's $189 for one crazy person.
You know what, we sell those not infrequently. A lot of people get them for family reunions or maybe a wedding.
Or a big group, a big party. That'd be awesome.
Homemade apple pie when's not a good occasion.
You need to do a challenge, like a food challenge.
We should, yeah. Wanna come?
No, I will. I could not do. I couldn't do it.
Me, I'll eat a whole slice.
He would. He could maybe do it.
Bring me, I'll eat a whole slice.
Dolly's Closet. She sells her wardrobe.
You know what? It's her style, but your size.
Oh, my size?
Your size.
I might have to buy me one.
Memorabilia in there. Oh look, there's no way. This is such a beautiful thing that you don't see every day at Dollywood, so apparently this is a good time to come.
Oh, no weight on lightning rod?
No weight on lightning rod.
No weight. That's my favorite thing to hear.
Versus cameras, car keys, GoPros, cell phones, recording devices of any type is not allowed on lightning rod. Then please fasten your safety belt first, lap bar second.
I'll go first either way. Okay. Yep.
This is the fastest roller coaster in this park.
Fastest roller coaster in most parks. What?
Wait, what is it?
It's the fastest one roller coaster in the world.
I've never ridden this ride before because we've been here 3 times, but every time it was shut down for some reason. Woo! Woo! Yeah! That was awesome. Yeah! Woo! What just happened? I can see him. Wow. Are we going again? Yeah.
Welcome back, everybody. Did you enjoy that ride?
That was awesome. That was really cool. That was really cool.
How was it?
That was nice. Super cool ride. I think one of the things that I like about this park, Dollywood specifically, is that each ride has a different start, middle, and finish. It's like you're not riding the same roller coaster. The themes are amazing, and Lightning Rod was exactly its namesake. I mean, it was super cool. I really enjoyed it.
What do you think of that moment?
I was holding on as hard as I possibly could, and it was very scary.